Luxury home located in Darbonne Hills Subdivision. This home boasts 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, with a total of 4836 plus square feet. It is situated on 0.657 acres with a beautiful pool. It is the perfect setting for entertaining. It has an open floor plan to the family room that looks out over the pool and a gazebo in the large backyard. It has a large kitchen with stainless steel appliances and an oversized center island. The home also has 2 fireplaces in the living room, with soaring 20-foot high ceilings with arches. The other fireplace is in the family room for a cozy cold day. The round staircase at the front entrance foyer gives this home a spectacular welcoming effect. The master bedroom suite is huge. It will accommodate a huge king-size bed, and it also has a spacious walk-in closet with a new vanity in the bathroom. All other bedrooms are large with great closet space as well. There's lots of natural light throughout the home with large windows that have a welcoming effect. Everything in this home is new: flooring, electrical, plumbing, central HA, lighting, appliances and so much more. You must see this property to believe it.